Hello everyone, welcome to my ITC course. I'm Rhonda Nicholson, your ITC coach for the 2023-24 school year. You guys remember me last year, or some of you do. There are a lot of new teachers, but for the most part, a lot of you are still teaching at your schools this year. So I want to come to you and let you know that I'm going to be your ITC technology coach instead of the student's teacher for ITC. What that means is all of the Huntsville City Schools teachers will be implementing the ITC program into your schedule. It's going to work just like you would be bringing them to my class, and you guys would give them grades this year. It has changed somewhat. The reason being is because a lot of our team went to different schools, different positions, and we had several that retired, and only left 2 of us, and there wasn't enough time for us to implement and be fair to all the schools. So district created 2 positions, and I'm a technology coach for 13 schools. So my time is very slim. I don't have a lot of time. I do travel from school to school. The best route that I planned and I designed was to actually create this course for you guys. That way you can go through the modules and you can get your online learning in the modules. Each module explains about the course. It tells you a little bit about me, tells you a little bit about why they changed and the standards and all that good stuff. There's 7 modules in the course. Each module has different things in there. It is designed with objectives and course goals. So I'm going to begin with taking you through the course. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to highlight a few things, because as you read yourself, you can figure this out. Once you go through the modules, you can, if you still need one-on-one training, and I'm sure that you will. Some of you like to have one-on-one training. Some of you do better with learning on your own. That's why I created this course. I am an instructional designer. I have a master in educational technology and instructional design. So I do have a little bit of skills. I hope you find the course friendly and enjoyable, and you understand it. So what I'm going to do now is go up to the top, and you should have gotten a link or a code to join my course. If you did, go ahead and join it. I think most of you have so far, but if you have not, go ahead and do that, because this is going to be our training method. You're going to, like I said before, go through the modules, and then after you go through and read everything and watch the videos, then you will contact me and we'll set up a time. There's a book it link in one of my modules. You'll just click on that little link or button icon per se and book me a time, and then I'll come out to your school and have a one-on-one session with you. So let's go ahead and begin by clicking on the course. Let's go in to the course, and it's going to bring you to the materials page, which is also called the home page. So as you look here, I have 13 different schools. Highlands is my home school, so your course will say Highlands Training, but it is for all of my schools. I have 13 schools, so just don't pay attention to Highlands. That course is for all of us. I didn't want to have to bring Highlands content over into every school. That would take a lot of time for me to build 13 different content for each school. So instead, I built one course, one access code under one school, which is Highlands, because it's my home school. So if you see Highlands, go ahead and accept that. That is your module that we're going to be working out of. So let's go ahead and start. This is the introduction video right here. You would start here and listen to my video that I'm preparing right now. Click on that, and once you have listened to the video and kind of watch me go through the course, then once you're completed, then you feel confident, then you can go ahead and start. You can go to the librarian and set up a time with her, or get with your principal, and figure out what your schedule might be. This is strictly up to you and your principal as to how you want to incorporate this data into, or the content into your schedule. you have a 30-minute session, and this year there are grades that will be put into Power School, and a report card will be giving every 9 weeks as the other grades are. The grades consist of G, S, and U. G being good, S satisfactory, and U unsatisfactory. You guys will implement those grades into Power School and put it in on their report card each 9 weeks. So with that being said, if you haven't had an online course before, you may end up loving this. And if you haven't, some of you may hate it. But I would like to know what you think about it. Please comment, send me an email, let me know what you think after you go through each module. And we'll discuss it, okay? So, like I said, the introduction video is first. These are module link shortcuts right here. These is just a shortcut to take you through each one of these modules. So I'm not going to click on the shortcut. You can do that if you get into a course and you come back out to the home page. You can just go up here and click, and it'll take you straight to the content that you need. These modules here go deeper in like other links. You'll see when you start clicking on it what I'm talking about. So right now I'm just going to click on the innovative course here, and it will take you inside the course. You can pull that down and you can see my little image that I have put in here for you. It's just kind of make it classy a little bit. But the actual link is here. Click here, and then it's going to take you into my curriculum, the content that I need to get across to you guys. So there's some course standards here that you will teach from this. And also in Power School, you can go into your grade. Like this is an example of a first grade content. If you go into Power School, click the link, click your Power School link, sign in with your credentials, then choose Progress. You can see the grades and the course standards from that area right there. This particular example, when you click on that, it will go into first grade. I'm not going to do it. You can do it on your own time. Right here is a teacher fluency survey. I would appreciate it if you'd fill that out and let me know your confidence level in technology, and see what I need to do to get you there. If you feel like this is just overwhelming for you, just let me know, and I'll be glad to come out and give you one-on-one training. So if you're done with this page here, go ahead and click this little return to materials. It takes you right back to the home page, the materials page again. Then you can go into the resources. It's right here. This is all of the links that you guys need, documents, information about class behavior, code.org, Dash the Robot, digital citizenship. You can go through here and see that I have tried to find everything that I used last year when I was teaching to give to you guys. So once you go through all of these are also in the modules as well. These are just the resources that's found in every module that you see from 1 through 7. Once you get done with all of these, then you can click Return to Materials. You're going to go straight back to the home page, and then you can come back to the next module. This was about me, a little bit about me. It gives you some information about what I teach and a little bit about my degree. I am an instructional designer. I have a master in instructional design and educational technology. I've learned to build curriculum through modules, videos, all that good stuff. So let me know what you think about it. Some of you, like I said, may not enjoy online blended classes, courses, and some of you may love it. So in an email or somehow, just connect with me somehow and let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it friendly and organized. So if there's anything you see that I need to change that will help you better to learn, please let me know. Anything, I'm not going to frown on it. I want you to, because I love building and this is what I do. Okay, so I want to teach you guys and I want you to learn from it. All right, I'm not here to boss you around or push you around. I'm here to help you with this class, this course, and let's get it going, get it off the ground, because it is wrote into instruction and it has to be taught. There will be some more changes coming But as of right now, this is what I have for you. So as I was saying earlier, when you click on, if you go through these modules and you still need some help and you need me to come out, and I plan on coming out to the schools and checking out the inventory and doing all that, I just know that the librarians are housing the cabinets, and they have all of our product inside that cabinet. I've already come out once. I've met the librarians, most of the schools, and the IT tech. One of them should have the key for the cabinet, but you need to make an appointment because they're going to be check-in, check-outs of the materials when you implement that into your classroom the day that you need them. So, like I said, get with the librarian, and once you've done all that, once you've gone through the modules, click on, if you need my help, click on the book now, and that will open up a book it calendar, and whatever day that's open, please click that and book me an appointment, and I'll put you on my calendar, and I'll come out to your school, and we can have some one-on-one training at that point. Up here is the calendar. As you guys book it, I will put it on the calendar. That way you can see where I'm at, what days that I'm available, or what school I might be at if you wanted to reach out to me or whatever. But that clears up that. Anytime you see the little robot head, that's going to take you back to the material. So always click there, and it will take you straight back to your home page. All right, that was we've done the introduction of the course, the resources. I've told you a little bit about me. Now here's the ITC objectives. You're going to want to read this one and pay attention to what's in here. Again, I have them listed, module 1 through 7, the resources as well. And I have the book now icon as well, where you can book. The course standards are here. Computer science and coding. It's some good stuff in there. So you guys go ahead and click on those links and get familiarized with that. Again, click return to materials. We're going to go on down to the purpose of this course. And this is a little bit about what I'm talking about right now. So I'm not going to read this to you by all means, but please pay attention to what I've got in here. So it's about a little bit about the grades and the course of study, and I've got some good links down here that will help you, some PowerPoints. So just go in there and read all of that, and once you've done that, then go back to your materials again, go back to your home page, and then you want to do the ITC let's go back to 4, Introduction to Code.org. Now this one's really important, Code.org information. So I'll put all of these in order. What is Code.org? Setting up your code class, how to sign into code, creating a classroom, what is coding. There's another one that's similar, what is coding 2, so make sure you look at all that. And these are some more posters and things. I bought these, but you guys feel free to download them, use them in any way you want in your classroom. This is another PowerPoint. This is really good stuff in here. So you guys, please look at all this. It will definitely help you. All right. So again, click to return to materials, and then we're going to go on down into the next module. Module 5, ITC inventory. And you want to make sure that we're keeping up with the inventory. It's very, very important. This is some very expensive product that we have here. I have listed everything that your school has right here. We need to make sure that it stays, the numbers count, because I will be coming around doing inventory every few months to make sure that we have it, because I am responsible for this inventory for my schools. All right, so let's be nice to it. Let's take care of it. Make sure that the librarian gets it back when you check it out. All right, so again, if you want to comment on any of this, you can write me send me a little note, and I'll be glad to get back with you, okay? So let's go to the robot again. Let's go back to the home page, and let's go into the next module. How to use Dash, Osmo, and Jack. These are accessories that come that the robot Dash needs, okay? They all sync together, and as you become familiarized with them, you'll see how it works, and I'm not going to go over that with you right now. When you click on these links, it's going to take you to videos that you're going to need to watch. That way you'll learn what each one means. Dash robot, unboxing Dash, all that good stuff about Dash. And then you have Osmo, the same thing here. You got some videos that's going to teach you about how to take care for him and what it does, and just his overview. All right, and then you have Jack the Mouse. He's also in the cabinet. I didn't use him last year. I didn't get a chance to. So maybe you guys can show me some stuff about how to use Jack once you get going. All right, I'll appreciate it.